Good morning, students. Let us continue with the same topic, that is formatting in LibreOffice Writer. Now I have already written some paragraph in front of you. We will learn how to change the case. Case is, suppose this is India. I select this India word, click on the format and click on the text. Here it is. If I want to convert it into capital letters, everything should be in the capital letters. So what I have to click? I have to click on uppercase. Here it is. You can see the output. It has been converted into the uppercase. Now suppose here we have the country, format, text, and it is already in the lowercase, so no effect will be there. If I click on uppercase, it will become the uppercase. And we have another options also. You can see I am selecting the complete paragraph so that it is much easier for you to understand. Format, text. In the text you have so many options. You have uppercase, you have lowercase, cycle case, sentence case, capitalize every word. See, when I click on this capitalize every word, means first alphabet of every word is capitalized. Here you can see it is in front of you. Once again, I will just select it, format, text. Now you can yourself see the difference between all these things. If I click on sentence case means every sentence. Full stop means the completion of the sentence. Every sentence, first letter will be in capital letters. Here it is, each state of India. Now here we have every sentence, first alphabet will be capital letters. This thing is clear to you? This is what about changing the case of the text. Now sometimes we need some chemical formulas or mathematical formulas. Now suppose I want to write any chemical equation like that. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this 2 I don't want on the same level. I want that it should be little bit upper and some smaller in size. So what I have to do is, I will select whatever I want to do it as a superscript. Whenever I want to place something above the baseline, it is known as, you can see on my cursor, it is known as superscript. On the toolbar here you can see we have the button for the superscript. Here I have done it. Now for 2, once again I will select it. Here you have subscript and superscript. Subscript means above the baseline. Superscript means above the baseline. Subscript means below the baseline. Now here also I want superscript. Another option is, can you see the shortcut key here? Control Shift P is for superscript. For subscript, Control Shift B. There is one more option from where you can get this option of superscript and subscript. Now here we have H2 plus O2 gives you H2O. Now this 2, I want to place it below the baseline. So whenever I want something below the baseline and smaller in size, I have to opt for subscript. The third method from where we can do the subscript is, click on format, click on text, and here you have subscript option. Here it is, subscript. And the shortcut key is also shown here, Control Shift B, like this. Select the text, click on the subscript, select the text, click on the subscript. So today you have learned how to change the case of the text and how to apply superscript and subscript. All the 3 ways I have shown you.